It is distributed equally among 8 children.
Yes, a bowl of biryani weighs, third question is a bowl, it's not bowl, it's bowl. A bowl of biryani weighs 2 kg. Suppose this is the bowl of biryani and it is a big bowl of biryani and it weighs 2 kg. Suppose it weighs 2 kg. Let it be not 2 kg, let it be 20 kg. And it is to be distributed among 4 children equally. It has to be distributed among 4 children equally. How will you distribute this bowl of biryani?
Ma'am, by
It should
divide.
be equally. By? How can you divide it? Can you give it, distribute it equally, Varin? Varin, yes, Varin? How will you
Yes,
distribute
ma'am.
it?
Ma'am, by dividing.
By dividing. But
Two.
how will you divide? Tell me.
Ma'am, by
How will you divide it? Varin?
ma'am. Ma'am, I will divide 2 by 4.
2 by 4?
Answer.
It's 20 kg.
No, ma'am. No. Okay.
20
20
kg, you will divide 20 kg into 4 equal parts. So divide 20
Yes,
by
ma'am.
4. So what will you get? 5 kg this one, 5 kg this one, 5 kg this one, and 5 kg this one.
5
Understood
kg this
everyone?
one.
Understood everyone? What happened? Okay, now let's start the question. Let's start the question in your maths fair notebook. Again,
Ma'am,
maths
it
fair
is
notebook.
2 kg.
You can continue from the same page if you have. Write question 3. Question 3. A bowl till अब बोल से लेकर you have to dot till children. So you will write here total weight of biryani. What is the total weight of biryani?
Ma'am, can we write a bowl of biryani weights?
What is the total weight of
Ma'am,
biryani?
2.864 kg.
2.864 kg. Number of children. How many number of children are there?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Each child will get. Each means 1. Each means 1. So 1 child. We will not say children. Will get. Each child will get how much? 2.864 divided by 8. The kg is divided by 8. Okay, understood? Like I will show you. Okay, you can better if you do from here. It's neat and clean written over there. Start doing it quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. What? Okay, let's start the. Done, all of you? Everyone left?
No, ma'am.
Any one of you left?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Left.
One digit is there, so you have to take two digits. So 8 threes are 24. Point will be used because after after point we are using 8, 24. 8 threes are 24. 4 will be left over here. 6 will be copied. 8 fives are 40. 6 will be here and 4 will be here. 8 eights are 64. 8 eights are 64 and you'll get 0 here. So each child will
The
get, so you
answer
like
is
to
358 and 358
Yes, ma'am.
grams.
Point 358.
child will get 0.358 kg of biryani. Of biryani उसमें लिखा हुआ था in the same one. See, the answer is 0.358. 0.358. Okay, so I'm going to rub this because we have already done this. We have already seen this, only the answer has to be copied. Okay, now next, let's proceed to the next question. Wait.
Of milk is filled in a bottle. How many liters of milk is needed to fill 60 bottles?
See, in a dairy, the dairy is there. 150 ml of milk is filled in a bottle. Suppose this is one bottle. This is one bottle. In this bottle, 150 ml of milk is filled in that dairy. इस बॉटल में कितना मिल्क आता है 150 ml मिल्क आता है इस बॉटल में तो ये डेयरी जाते हैं आई फिल 150 ml of milk in this bottle and how many liters of milk is to fill 60 bottle if I took 50 bottles there if I took 50 bottles there तो कितना milk आएगा उसमें tell me ऐसे ही 60 bottles लेकर जाती हूँ वन बॉटल में 150 ml आता है टू बॉटल्स में टू कितना आएगा 150 plus 150 3 bottles में 150 plus 150 plus 150 ऐसे मैं 60 bottles लेकर जाती हूँ ऐसे तो how much milk will come more or less ऐसी ही इसमें 150 ml milk आ रहा है more but how will you calculate that more but how will you calculate that more
Ma'am, by
Ma'am, by multiplying.
Ma'am, by multiplying.
by multiplying very good so you will write do not write now do not write as of now okay milk in one bottle milk in one bottle how much milk is coming in one bottle 150 ml you have to tell how much milk will come in 60 bottles but if you read the question carefully they are saying how many liters so what will you do when the final answer will come just look here everyone do not do anything just look here okay when the final answer will come you will convert it into liters and here also no need to multiply whole 150 by 60 just multiply 15 by 6 only 15 सिक्स क्योंकि मैंने मल्टीप्लाई बताया था, जब लास्ट में 0 होता है 0 को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते। आप 15 सिक्स करो, 15 सिक्स 90 होता है, एक 0 इसका लेना है, एक 0 इसका लेना है, 2 zeros आप लास्ट में पुट कर दो, सिंपल। ओके, फिर 9000 ml आंसर आएगा, उसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है। जो 9000 ml आंसर आएगा, you have to convert that into liters. Why into liters? Because in the question they are asking how many liters of milk they are asking. Okay, so I'm going to show you the answer. You can check it from there. Give me a second. Yeah, start doing it. Do not multiply whole for free 750 by 60. Just multiply 15 by 6 and whatever the answer you are getting, put 2 zeros in the end. That's it. No need to multiply it whole. Solve it. पहले इतना solve करो.
Ma'am, we can also write milk in first bottle, or we have to only write milk in one bottle.
One bottle ही लिखना है. First bottle क्यों लिखोगे बेटा? There are not two second or third bottle. There is only one bottle.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done this much.
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone has done or somebody is left?
Ma'am,
Okay, so as you can see, as I told you, no need to multiply whole this 15 by 60, 150 by 60. So you can just simply multiply 15 by 6. 15 6 कितना होता है? What is 15 6? 15 6 is 90, right? 15 6 is 90, so you will write 90 here. और ये जो लास्ट के 2 zeros हैं, ये जो लास्ट में जो 2 zeros बच रहे हैं, you will put them in the end. So you will get 9000 ml as answer. आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 9000 ml. 9000 ml. ठीक है? 9000 ml is the answer. Now, if you read the question, they are saying how many liters of milk is needed. That means you have not to tell the answer in 9000 ml. You have to change this milliliter into liters. So we will change this milliliters into liters now. We have to change this milliliters into liters now. So convert this milliliter into liters, everyone. Convert this milliliter, 9000 milliliter in liters. How will you convert 9000? ये देखो LDL CL ML दे रखा है, आपको ML को कन्वर्ट करना है लीटर्स में. आप बैक साइड जा रहे हो तो आप क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई करोगे या डिवाइड करोगे? टेल मी. यू आर कन्वर्टिंग मिलीलीटर इनटू लीटर्स. मिलीलीटर को आप क्या बना रहे हो? लीटर्स बना रहे हो. तो मिलीलीटर्स को आप क्या बनाओगे?
Divide.
Divide. You will do the divide. So what will you do? Divide 9000 by zeros. You can check how many zeros will be there.
Ma'am, 3.
9,000 को you have to divide it by zeros and answer will be in liters. आंसर आएगा आपका लीटर्स में. 9,000 को किससे डिवाइड करोगे आप? कितने जीरो से डिवाइड करोगे? 3. 1 2 3 जीरो से आप डिवाइड करोगे. फाइंड आउट द आंसर. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर?
Can I tell the answer? Ma'am, 9.000 liters.
9.000 liters. So 9 liter of milk is needed to fill 60 bottles.
9 liters.
Yes, 9 liters is the answer, or 9.000. Both are correct. Okay. Complete this with the source statement. So 9 liter of milk is needed to fill 60 bottles. Complete with the source statement.
I've done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Wait a minute.
Meter track. How many kilometers has it covered?
See, a racing car is there. As you play, racing games are there. Okay, there is a track. On a track, there are lapses. Lapses क्या होते हैं बेटा? Track इतना लंबा नहीं हो सकता कि आप so many kilometers you can cover. So there are lapses. Lapses क्या होते हैं? जैसे for example, this is the track. यहाँ से ये race start होती है and it comes one lap. अब फिर से ये start हो जाती है next lap, second lap, थर्ड लैप, ऐसे करके होता है. वो 25 टाइम्स के ऊपर से जाता है. One lap is of how many? One car track. This car track is of 200 meter long. This car track is 200 meter long, and the car is taking 25 laps. How many laps this car is taking? One lap में इसने कितना distance cover किया? 200 meter. 2 laps में कितना किया? 200 meter more plus 4. That means 400 meter. Then 200 meter. Okay, like this. So they are asking how many kilometer has it covered. Kilometers का मतलब है they are asking you how much is the total distance they are asking you. Okay, आप आंसर निकालोगे मीटर्स में. It is same as the previous one. आप इसका आंसर निकालोगे मीटर्स में और मीटर्स को कन्वर्ट कर दोगे किलोमीटर्स में. ओके, अच्छा, टेल मी हाउ टू टेक आउट द आंसर. आप एक कार रेस में है and in that race you are taking one lap is of 200 meter and you are taking 25 lapses. 1 2 3 4 25 lapses you are taking. How much distance will you cover? Tell me, how will you calculate it?
Ma'am, multiplying.
By
And by
multiplying.
200 multiplied by 25.
200 meter multiply by 25. Okay, no need to multiply 25 by 200. Only multiply 25 by 2 and put 2 zeros in the end. Okay, so the answer will be like this. Length of this track, length of the track, length of 25 lapses is 200 meter multiplied by 25. Here no need to multiply 200 by 25. यहाँ पे 200 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. रफ कॉलम में या यहाँ पर ही फेयर में ही 25 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. I think 50 आएगा आंसर. और पीछे 2 zeros है आगे, तो 2 zeros you can put 2 zeros after in the end. Do it quickly. Length of the track and length of 25 lapses. Laps only you can write. The answer is coming. So when you multiply here 25 by 2, you will get 50 here. You will get 50 here.
Ma'am.
Oh, wait a second. Let me test it. So when you multiply 25 by 2, only you have to multiply 25 by 2. You'll get 50 here. So you will write 50 and put 2 zeros of these 100 here. And it will be in meters. 5,000 meters. But if you read the question carefully, if you read the question carefully, they are asking you how many kilometers has it covered. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to convert 5,000 meters into kilometers. 5,000 meter को जब किलोमीटर में convert करेंगे, what we will do? Multiply और divide करें. क्या करें 5,000 को? Multiply करें या divide करें? Tell me. Kilometers.
Divide.
Ma'am, divide.
When we convert it into kilometers, what we will do? Divide. Divide by how many zeros?
Ma'am,
KM, HM, DAM, MDM, CM. KM, HM, DAM, MDM, CM.
ma'am, 3 zeros.
Zeros. Ma'am, two zeros.
Three zeros.
Ma'am, 3 zeros.
Three zeros. KM, HM, DAM, M. M को KM बनाना है. So answer will be equals to 5.000 kilometers.
Meters.
Okay, so the answer so statement will be so. What will be the statement of so after so? Tell me. So
the length of
so the car has covered.
25 laps.
No. If you see in the book, how many kilometers has it covered? So it has covered 5.00. Oh, ये क्या हो गया? So it has covered 5.000, or you can simply write 5 kilometers. So it has covered 5 kilometers. Okay, do it quickly. Finish it. Those who have not done it, take a screenshot of it. Jaldi se.
Ma'am, I have done.
I'm done.
Good.
I'm done.
Very good. You have done it. Very good. Well and good. Those who have not done it, just take a screenshot of it. Jaldi se, because I'm going to stop sharing this one. And we are going to start the last question now. 6th one. Jaldi se finish karo isko. Those who have not done it. Or take a screenshot of it and complete it afterwards.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay. So now let's start the 6th question. Okay. Let's start the 6th one. Let's start question number 6. Okay. Devansh Rai, read question 6. Devansh Rai, read question 6 quickly.
A factory produces 230 bottles of sauce in a day. If each bottle has 80 milliliter of sauce, how many liters of sauce is produced daily?
Yes, please all of you switch off your mic except Devansh Rai. Okay? You should not speak while one is speaking. You should keep your mics off. Okay, a factory produces 230 bottles of the sauce in a day. Suppose a factory is there and it is a bottle of sauce now. It is a bottle of sauce. It is a factory is producing 230 liters, 230 bottles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 230 bottles of same kind I'm having. Okay, if each bottle has 80 ml of salts, this bottle is having 80 ml. It is same as the milk one. If this one is having 80 ml of sauce, how many bottles will 230 ml of 230 bottles will have? How much sauce will 230 have? Will have 230 bottles will have. How will you calculate it? Tell me now. Yes, everyone, I'm asking you. Jaldi se.
Ma'am, by multiply.
By multiplying. Okay, but they are asking you question in how many liters of salt. So what will you do? You will in one day, first of all, you will calculate how many milliliters of salt they are producing, sauce they are producing, and then you will convert that milliliters, whatever the answer is coming, you will convert into liters. Okay, so again I'm going to share this answer. Last answer is there. So complete it. Try to complete it. Just do it. Do not multiply whole 230 by 80. Just multiply 23 by 8 and put 2 zeros in the end. Quantity of sauce in 1 bottle, quantity of sauce in 230 bottles. So we will do the multiplication. Whatever the answer will come, you will put 2 zeros in the end. 23 को 8 से multiply करो, 2 zeros last में लगा दो. Wait a second. Start doing it quickly.
Ma'am, I have done.
I have done.
Good. Let others also do it.